That's making me conscious.
God. Okay, I'm sorry. I think we're going to have to do that again.
The catch is to look at your camera.
Yeah, firstly though I become very irritated or I start shouting. But later on, as if I tell them that it's okay now, try it on the better side next time. And you have to move on.
Yeah, it's not really, she's too young. So, but I think I would just explain to her, make her study harder, you know, sort of make her think and reflect as to why this happened, rather than, you know, saying, why did you get only 5 on 10?
So my son has not gone through any exams currently, so I will not be able to answer that.
To be very honest, I never stress. My elder daughter now goes through formal examinations. So I don't really stress on marks per se, but I always stress that has she understood what she has studied? Will it last her for the rest of her life, what she studied now? Will it, does it make a strong foundation for her as she grows up? So that's more important for me. Marks are, because she gets marks anyways. So I am a little surprised, like, you haven't studied but you've got marks. Like, Mama, I get marks, so just chill. I'm like, no, but you haven't understood. So yeah, that's more important.
So see, I don't sit with them for their studies, so then it's all about them. I think the pressure builds when you sit with your kids or you're sending them for a lot of tuitions, and then you've woken them up to and sit with them throughout with their books. You've learned everything by heart, and then they're not performing. Maybe that's when the pressure builds up. Since I don't even know what is in their textbooks or what's happening, especially with the older one, the younger one doesn't have exams yet, so I don't know. And she's kind of quite responsible the way we've brought her up, and she manages, and she's doing quite well. So occasional marks, of course I tell her, maybe you have the potential. I think if you did your bit or if you sat a little bit more, you could have done it. But there's never been very aggressive, you know, reactions or scolding, and my husband is totally against it. So even if I get a little towards it, it's just stop there. So no scope.
After 1 hour, we can try again. That's what I do with my kids. I try again after a couple of hours. You let them grow. You let them be. It's like my daughter has exams today. I was playing in the last 1 hour, I was sitting and playing Uno with her. She just doesn't want to study. So even if I sit down to teach her something, she's not going to put anything into her head. So why do I break my head on it? Play.
You come to see, you know, in his day-to-day activities, you realize what he's, you know, getting apt at and what are his drawbacks. You realize as a mom, you know.
But how do I track it is like either when I have tried and disciplined him in something, or tried and explained him a certain concept which I want him to understand. So maybe when he's repeating it the next time, it's not necessarily he'll imbibe it, but he will feel a little sorry if he's committed the same mistake. If he's thrown a tantrum for watching a certain cartoon, and you know, I have told him something why I don't want to give him on at that time. So the next time when he does that, and you know, the tantrum is over, maybe after some time he'll again come and tell me a sorry that I know that I have done it wrong, and I couldn't control myself, but I know that I was wrong. So I think these are small signs where you realize that they are kids. So their you know, controls and willpower is less, but they are understanding.
I think the key thing is observation. So observing them, how they are at home, and you know, listening to them, like, you know, what kind of stories he brings back. Again, like I said earlier, I'm not sure how much of his life outside home he discloses, but from whatever bit he does, taking cues from there and accordingly being able to decide if, you know, there's anything that needs intervention. If not, then let him just go with the flow.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.